Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
This Saturday, Waffle woke me up, like he always did. And like always, I was just about to say hello when...
Evie, don't talk! Remember, no talking starts now.
What?
Remember, Waffle, I told you yesterday, Evie mustn't talk until all the sand from the top of this timer empties into the bottom.
Why?
It's to raise money for the school garden project, Waffle. All pupils and teachers that manage not to talk all morning get to raise sponsorship money for the school. What is it? You want to do no talking too?
Yes.
That's a great idea, Waffle. That will definitely impress Mr. Nolan.
Morning.
Shh, Doug, Simon! You're doing the sponsored no talking this morning.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Tell you what, let's just all wake up and start no talking morning all over again.
So, Waffle woke me up again.
Remember, Evie, no talking. Sponsored no talking starts now. Breakfast? Breakfast. Okay. Good miming, Simon. Yes, Waffle. Oh, I can talk to you. Well, I can't talk to you, but I can woof to you, and you can woof to me. Finally, a conversation. Waffle. It's a person at the door. Talkie time! Meow. Hello, George. Oh, Mrs Hobbs! Hi! So nice to see you. You're looking well. I like your cardigan. That's a really, really lovely colour on you, you know. It's so nice to chat. And isn't it a lovely morning?
Not really, Jess. I was hoping for some peace and quiet this morning.
Why, really? Well, we've got plenty of that here. Evie, Simon and Doug are doing sponsored no talking today. Oh, and so is Waffle.
Well, that's just it. Waffle may not be talking, but he's doing a lot of woofing. If you ask me, no talking includes no woofing. So I tell you what, if you can not talk and not woof Waffle, I'll sponsor you.
That is really kind, Mrs Hobbs. Say thank you, Waffle. Oh, wait, no, don't say thank you.
He'll never manage it, of course. Go on. Woof. You know you want to. Woof. Oh, very good, Waffle. Oh, happy no talking or woofing to me.
You're halfway there, everyone. Look, the egg timer, it's half empty. So... Oh, it's the doorbell. I'll get it. Good one, Jess. Talkie time, talkie time. Talkie time, talkie time, talkie time, talkie time. Oh, Connie! Ruby!
It's so good to see you. Are you doing a sponsored hug? Only Ruby's doing a sponsored no talking, aren't you, Ruby?
Oh, shh. Come on, come in. Okay.
Hi, everyone. Oh,
You're doing the sponsored no talking too.
I just miss all the chatter.
Oh, me too.
Oh, Doug, that's a great idea. Music.
Oh, yeah! Who fancies a boogie?
Mr. Brooklyn Bell, would you please turn that loud music off?
Now, please.
Oh, that's better. Mr. Brooklyn Bell and the rest of you, I know how to keep you all quiet. A jigsaw. A jigsaw requires no talking, no woofing, and no music.
No music? I want to dance. That's my cue to leave you then. Pick you up after the sponsored silent jigsaw, Ruby.
This jigsaw is a picture of my Georgie in 100 pieces, all to be put together in silence. Perfect. I completed this jigsaw yesterday at my house, so I know all the pieces are here, so no excuses, you no talkers. Let's get started. Evie, Ruby, you start on edges. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, here, boy. I want you on corners. And Douglas, jump to it. We need the pink pieces for Georgie's itty-bitty pussycat nosy. Oh, don't bother me now, dog. You need to sit silently somewhere else. Dogs and jigsaws do not mix. And Waffle, you may not be talking or woofing, but you are still trouble. Go and do something else.
While Mum listened to music, Waffle thought of something he could do without speaking. He went to sleep. And my mum fell asleep too. And that woke Waffle up. So Waffle went to visit George next door. But George was asleep too. Waffle couldn't talk or woof to wake George up, so he gave him a kiss. And that's when he saw one of Mrs Hobbs' jigsaw pieces. But he couldn't tell us because he was doing sponsored silence.
What is it? I tell you, a jigsaw piece is missing. This has never happened to me before. Look at my poor Georgie's eye.
Oh, yes. You're definitely missing a piece, Mrs Hobbs.
Yes, I know that, Jess.
You can't finish the jigsaw.
I know that too, Jess. But I'm a jigsaw champ. I always finish.
Oh, come on now, Mrs Hobbs. The missing jigsaw piece must be here somewhere. OK, everyone look around while I go and check how much of this no talking time we've got left.
I think it's you, Dog, that lost that missing piece. Didn't I say that dogs and jigsaws do not mix? And that is why I have decided, because you lost my George's eye, I am no longer sponsoring Waffle.
Oh, no!
Oh, you talked!
Waffle!
Oh, you all talked!
It's OK, it's OK. Look, no talking time is finished. You were all too busy having jigsaw fun that you didn't notice. You can now officially talk!
Wonderdog, we did it!
We still need to find the missing piece, everyone!
Oh, right.
Maybe it's got under the cushions.
Hop, Bobs! Hop, Bobs!
Stop tugging at my
Oh,
lovely
Bobs.
cardigan, Dog.
Hop, Bobs!
Oh, what is the matter with you?
Chicky, chicky!
Oh, honestly.
Waffle led us straight to Mrs Hobbs' house.
What are we doing in my house? I hope you're not fooling with me, Dog.
Look!
Well, I never. George had the missing jigsaw piece all along.
Cheeky George.
He must have taken it when I did the jigsaw yesterday, cheeky puss. Waffle,
Yeah?
you have proved me wrong. Not only did you not talk or woof, you showed me that dogs and jigsaws do mix. So I will give you that sponsorship money.
Oh, love you, Hop Bobs.
Thanks, Mrs Hobbs.
Did you hear that, Waffle? Waffle had helped raise money for the school. But would it be enough to persuade Mr. Nolan, the head teacher, to let Waffle come to school?
Everybody!